Hey y'all, I'm Brock Skelton, and I partnered up with Ian Coway to represent our school, Oakland City University, in the 2024 Makeable Challenge. Our solution is the blind iron, a clothing iron built from the hot plate up to serve those with partial to total blindness. We work closely with Dr. Kissel, a totally blind professor at our university, to refine this idea. It started back in February when we are still trying to find a direction for our project. Our first interview gave us a few ideas to explore, but when I asked, is there one situation or one task that you do on a daily basis where you're like, man, I wish I had a tool for this?
Yeah.
It was here that we felt we had something tangible. After the interview, we received this email, which detailed Dr. Kissel's struggles with ironing clothes. He mentioned pain points like unprotected hot plates, difficult controls, and current solutions being inadequate. From here, we noted the things we wanted in our design and the general shape of our new iron. The first part we focused on was the new grip, which we modeled first in Play-Doh. To translate this in Fusion, we first tried a 3D scanning app, but that returned poor results. So I took to modeling it manually using some references and Fusion's form modeling tools. The grip attaches to the mounting piece that we dubbed Test Fit. As its name implies, we went through many iterations to get this piece to fit on our donor iron. The shell itself was made using surface modeling and blends the organic grip back into a supportive base. With a solid prototype in hand, we met up with Dr. Kissel again to get his thoughts on the design and where we should go from here. It's right in front of you. You can go ahead and
Oh wow!
try it. Yeah, see?
This is the prototype.
Yeah. He gave us some positive feedback, but with the semester wrapping up, I wanted to make sure our priorities lined up with his expectations. Right now, we can go two routes. We can go the braille and accessibility route, or we can go the water inclusion.
Have everything in it. I'd rather see you go do what's already here. You finish that well.
With our sights set on accessibility, we spent the last week of class drafting up a label to go atop the dial and a makeshift buzzer circuit to replace the built-in light. By allowing the user to grip the device and feel the garment with a single hand, the process of ironing is made a lot safer. This feature, along with a flush shell and tactile controls, mean that those with visual impairments can lead more independent lives. If this project sounds beneficial to you or someone you know, or you just want to take a look at our work, feel free to head to my GitHub repository and tinker with it yourself. I'll be making improvements and new revisions in the future, as this solution can only get better from here. I hope you found this project interesting, and thank you for watching. That was a lot.